What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. All the new people, welcome. Today we're gonna head to the Freedom Factory to go do some testing with clutch kickers on some of the new layouts. Take my comp car, it's just me. So you know, your boy early, as you can see. It's like 5 in the morning, 5:30, 6 o'clock. I'm at racetrack, pulling up on some E85 in the truck, so I can have something for the car, because you know, these days it's getting hard to come by here in Melbourne. So yeah, well, that's the plan for today. We're going to drive over there. It's only 3 hours now, not 7 hours like it used to be. So I'm excited for that, and I'm excited to test out the layouts because I've never been to the Freedom Factory. The Freedom Factory, if you guys don't know, it's Klutch from 1320, which is like, you know, a big YouTuber now. He owns that track over there in Bradenton. So we're gonna go over there, test it out, have some fun. See you guys there. Alright, so we made it over. The drive wasn't too bad. I'm gonna unload the car really quick and we'll say what's up to the guys. Alright, so we unloaded. We got Steve here.
What's going on, everyone?
This guy is here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sunshine.
Sean just showed up. Drift HQ and Adam somewhere over there on the trailer. What's up, superstar? So I heard you beat me at the last comp, bro. I heard you've been selling out on the internet because you beat me, man.
I have not.
Okay, he hasn't been.
You got zip ties, bro?
feeling, Lee?
Good, that was easy lap.
Shit!
That was so drawn out.
Clutch going.
Alright, so we was having fun till the rack decided it doesn't want to play no more. The mounting tabs on the rack in the subframe, they broke out and dropped down, so that's the end of it for us today, which is kind of good because I wanted to go home early. So we're going to load up, we're going to call it a day. We're going to drop that car for Zach tomorrow, and we're going to get out there. So appreciate you guys watching. Zach, thanks for having me. Clutch Kickers, I can't wait for round one. See you then. Later.